Good morning students, how are you? You're fine? Very good. Today we are going to revise all our phonic sounds of the letters that we have done. Okay? Now look at the board. First of all tell me what is this? Which letter is this? Letter is A and the sound coming from this letter is A. A. Now which letter is this? B. And the sound coming from the letter is B. C. And the sound coming is K. 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 D. Letter D. And the sound coming from this letter is D. D. Letter E. Letter E. And the sound coming from this letter is E. E. Which letter is this? F. And the sound coming from this letter is F. F. Letter G. Letter G. And the sound coming from this letter is G. G. A. B. K. K. D. E. F. G. Now I have a basket in my hand and the basket has so many picture cards, different picture cards. I will pick one picture card from the basket. You will tell me which picture is this and which sound it is coming. Okay, the first letter you have to identify the picture. Okay, now I am going to pick one card. Now see, can you tell me which picture is this? Yes, bat. B, bat. B, bat. Now we'll place it under the sound of B. Is this B? Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes, this is B. And so we will put B, bat under B. Letter B and the sound coming is B. B, bat. B, bat. B, bat. We place it over here. Now next I will going to pick one card. Now tell me what is this? Fish. For fish. For fish. And where is for? Here is for. So we will put this picture card for fish under for. Again I am going to pick one picture. Wow, tell me what is this? Egg. Egg. Now where is egg? Is this egg? No, this is curly K. Is this egg? No, this is D. Where is? This is egg. So we will put egg under this letter. The sound coming is egg. Again I am to take it. Now can you tell me what is this? Carrot. Carrot. I will put the carrot under K. Now where is K? This is K. You put it over here. K. Again I am going to pick. Now what is this? Caterpillar. Caterpillar. So I am going to put caterpillar. Where we will put caterpillar? Under K. Where we have written K. Here. Again I am going to pick. Now what is this? Apple. Apple. So we will put apple under the letter A because the sound is apple. Apple. Again I am going to pick. Now what is this? Grapes. Grapes. So where we will put it? Under letter G because of which sound is coming? G. Now put G grapes under it. G grapes. Now again I am going to pick one card. Now what is this? D, do, D, do. Now we'll paste it under the D sound. Under the D. Again I am going to pick. Now what is this? G, gift. G, gift. So we will put G, gift. The way we have written letter G, because the sound is coming G, and this is first letter is G. So what is this? G, gift. G, gift. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, fox. Fox. So we will put fox under letter F, because the sound is fur. First letter is F. First letter is F and the sound coming is fur. So we will put under it. Now can you tell me what is this? Ball. So you put the paste ball over here under the bat like this. Now what is this? Doll. You will put the doll here. Now can you tell me what is this? X. So we'll put X under apple. Now these were the cards which were in the basket. You have identified the picture and its sound and you have pasted under it. Now at home you will revise all your phonic sounds add to G from the cards and from your word sound book. Very good students. God bless you.